Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm at Bramley Moore for my weekly update on the stadium build. Quite a lot to get through on the comments, and there's a nice sunset there, so it's a nice little start for the video. So I'm going to get high. By going past there, like that go past. So I start off with, obviously, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. It's growing and I want to grow even more, so yeah, if people wouldn't mind subscribing if they're watching the videos, if they like them. Also comments make the content on my channel, you know that. So yeah, loads of comments, loads of questions, and likes always help as well. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Okay, so gonna have a little fly around so you can have a look at how the stadium's getting on. Also, last week's meeting that other drone YouTubers have mentioned, I was invited to the meeting, but I couldn't make it because I was at uni. Also, I received this email at 1 o'clock on the day of the meeting, and as you can see it says tomorrow, but that was for ones who had missed a previous email apparently. So yeah, it was my fault. I'd have probably tried to make it, but when I saw that, I thought, oh, I'm in uni anyway, it doesn't matter, I'll catch up with you all tomorrow. But no, it didn't happen that way, so yeah, it doesn't matter. I've caught up with what Everton I've had to say. Martin, who's in charge of it, it's not Martin, it's Darren, who's in charge of it all, has put all us YouTubers in contact with each other now. So we've all started a WhatsApp group so we can all bitch and moan to each other about about stuff. No, it's good natured. Yeah, they're all good lads in there, so yeah, that'll be all the YouTubers that you're used to seeing. School of Science, Barry 1878, Mr. Drone, Paul Frost. There's others in there that I haven't had a chance to catch up on their channels yet, so I'm looking forward to looking at their channels as well to see what they're putting out. But yeah, there's a few others. And it come to our attention last night that somewhat, I'm not going to name the YouTuber because he's taking the video down now. But what it is, Everton are getting fed up with us, not with us. None of us are causing a problem. I've asked the question. He said no, I'm fine. The others have asked the question, they're fine. So we're sticking to the rules of what Everton wants. But there's one channel that, while the construction was going on, people working, and he's just flying right through the site. I mean, right below the cranes. And one shot, I've screenshot it. I might put it on here. I'll see in post-processing how close he was to wiping his drone out. It was very close, and tell you what, he'd have deserved it, because he's got no total disregard for what's around him. Didn't know where his drone was, didn't care where his drone was, and just flying right through the site. Like Maverick on Top Gun, just didn't care. Okay, so that was a nice little fly around the site there. So I'm staying outside the cranes as Everton wants. I'm just going to go over and look down. I say my drone makes it look very deceiving that I'm close, and I'm not. When you see how this other fella got on anyway. And so there's so much work going on here. Right, I'm going to have to fly through these comments because I don't want this going on forever. But I had to put my 10 pence word in for about this meeting that had gone on. Okay, so let me get me comments. Yeah, someone said it'd be good if they could put a big flag on the the hydraulic tower. You know what I mean? So the hydraulic tower down there, I don't know if they could, and people could work under it, because that's what they normally do, scaffolding, don't they? So yeah, it'd make it look nicer. So yeah, that'd be an idea for Everton if you're watching. Just make it look a little bit nicer down there and not as much a work site. Okay. Did I see the robotic dogs? Someone mentioned that in the last video, so I went on to Everton, because I don't normally go on to the Everton ones, because I don't like spoilers, because they let you know a lot what's going on. So yeah, I went on and I had a look and saw it. Yeah, it was interesting to see the dog running around, the robotic one. Someone wants me to do a video comparing the footprints of both grounds, so Bramley Moore and Goodison Park. I will get that done this week. I haven't been that active with it at all this week. Well, last couple of weeks, to be fair. Just because of uni and work, it's just been hard getting out. So yeah, I'll get that done. I'll do a little comparison of the footprints. Okay, let's have a little view from here. Someone said that Everton. Oh no, sorry. Where am I going? Oh yeah. One of the other YouTubers asked how I would do my voiceovers. Now this is a bit of overkill, this, and I keep meaning to mention it. I wear a GoPro with a media mod, with a microphone plugged into the media mod, just to get some audio, just to do the voiceover, and that's, you know, it's about all that kit just to get voice on. It's about £500. So yeah, an expense I don't really need, and I think DJI could actually put a headphone jack into the handsets, which would be easier to get audio on the videos. I don't think it'd be that much of a problem for them to do that. So if anyone from DJI is watching, any chance you can put a headphone jack into the handset so we can record audio? Okay, I'm willing to try it out for you. Yeah, people keep mentioning about the smell coming from the treatment centre. Someone said that Everton have an agreement with the treatment centre. I'm just going to get low and do my scout along the stand. Obviously over the dock as I normally do, so I'm not intruding. How low can I get without splashing down? I should do it. That the process won't be done for that smell on match days. Which, it's not just match days, is it? That it's going to be a problem. Liverpool Everton want to attract tourists to the actual ground on non-match days. You know, they want us to be like Anfield is, you know, getting people to the. As you can see through the stand there, it's getting less visible in there now. Let's get a look from this corner. Yeah, Everton are going to want. Oh, there's me low battery warning because I hadn't charged my battery. Okay, so hold that away a sec. So Everton want to attract tourists, which is going to. It's just going to have to be more than match days that they're going to have it on. Okay. So with the battery being low, I'm going to end this one here. I'm going to come back midweek anyway, because there's loads of comments that I just haven't got time to cover because of what mentioned about the meeting. So yeah, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to take some photographs before my battery dies completely, and I'll put them on as well for people to have a look at. Okay, so again, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, ask any questions that you want to ask, and I'll speak to you all soon. Okay, bye.